Now, we saw the stock market indices in different parts of the world, certainly here in India, soaring on the news of another Trump government, Trump 2.0. Let's take a look at Trump's impact on India, the potential impact on India in the economic sphere. Well, the one thing we can almost definitely count on are increased trade tariffs. This was one of the friction points between India and the previous Trump Sarkar. There will be a pressure to lower trade restrictions, another flashpoint between the two sides back when Trump was president. The export sector may face some instability. The China Plus One strategy could boost foreign investment into India. The semiconductor sector will see gains, which is a big plus as far as a new Trump government is concerned. A stronger dollar may raise bond yields, impact oil and gold prices. So there are many different layers of impact that could potentially be seen with this presidency of Donald Trump. I want to bring in Business Today's managing editor, Siddharth Zarabi, for more on this. Siddharth, break it down for us. Another Trump Sarkar in terms of economy, in terms of trade with India. Your big takeaways of what you think is going to happen.
Complex set of possibilities, but like you said, I just want to throw out one data point. Between 2014 and 2024, Shiv, India's total trade with our largest trading partner, the United States of America, has doubled almost from 60 billion to 120. So that's point number one. Therefore, trade ties are expected to continue to prosper. In the short term, there will be a bump really between what happens as far as import tariffs are concerned, and if a Trump presidency decides to impose 10 to 20% tariffs on certain goods that are imported from India, and reciprocal lower duties are demanded. But remember, there is a China angle in this. Donald Trump has spoken about 60% tariff on Chinese imports, and experts suggest that if that were to ever play out, India will be a beneficiary because a lot of companies will move away from China, a post-COVID development of China Plus One that's already underway, Shiv. So we'll have to wait for specific actions, but broadly I would say that beyond a bump in tariffs and possibly tighter immigration, including H-1B, remember Trump had tightened that, and there will likely be some consequences on that account.
All right, Siddharth Zarabi, thank you very much for bringing that into perspective for us. You can watch Business Today, read the Business Today website to know more about each of those points that Siddharth Zarabi raised.